going on YouTube? Ito na naman pala ang pagbabalik na si Kyle Abordo. So my name is Kyle Abordo, please subscribe. And today we are going to unbox JBL Flip 4. So come on guys, let's do it. So let's open it. Come on, let's open it. I'm so excited about this speaker, you know. It's really cheap and I hope it sounds good. I hope it sounds really good. I'm sorry if my English is not that good because, you know, my English is my second language and I'm a Filipino, you know. So yeah, we just got here in the US like 2 months ago. Yeah, this is my first time in the US. It's really nice. I like it. So here we go guys. Unboxing I bought this online. Oh, there it is. Wow.
Oh yeah. Woo. I hope
This thing sounds really good because I have JBL before and it sounds really good. Like I can feel the music. Yes. Here you go guys, a JBL Flip 4. How do we open this? Or something. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! This your JBL Flip 4 is really cheap. Okay. Wow. And this thing comes with this one. I don't know what is this thing called, but as you can see. Here you go guys. I bought this from JBL page, the official website of JBL. It's like 59 bucks. It's really cheap. And I want to try it. I can't wait. I can't wait now.
leave it, dab it, hit it. Hey. What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
So we got this. And I don't know what is this thing. What is? Yeah. Oh, it's just dang, that's a lot. Yeah.
This speaker is 12 hours of playtime, and it's also waterproof. And you can also, like, if you're calling somebody, you can, you know, use this, you know.
So yeah, let's try it. You know, let's try it, guys. Let's try this speaker on. Okay, so now, guys, we're trying to figure it out how to connect this thing to my phone.
Okay, I turn my Bluetooth on. Let's go to Bluetooth. Oh, there it is, JBL 4. Oh, it's connected. Let's go. Okay, what music should I play? Hold on, guys. Now it's connected, so let's try that on.
Hey guys,
Woo!
it's the Boulevard Avocado, back here with another banger. If you like to dance, get on your feet right now.
Dang, it's loud. It's loud. You know what? I'm going to dance.
You like to dance? Get on your feet right now. We finna get lit. Hey, 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 hey. Lean with it, yeah with it. Hit the floor down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit the molly bob with it. Lean with it, yeah with it. Hit the floor down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, yeah with it. Hit the floor down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, yeah with it. Hit the floor down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Step to the right now, step to the left. Slide to the right now, slide to the left. Go grab your friend, make sure you got Alright, y'all. Since y'all can learn how to do the avocado step, let's grab a friend. Let's do it again. Hey, let go. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit the phone now, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Hey, with it, dab with it. Hit the phone now, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit the phone now, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit the phone now, stab with it. Then you stop.
So guys, here you go. This is your JBL Flip 4. Bro, this speaker is good. So yeah guys, I bought this online from official website of JBL. And yeah, it's very good. $59. So yeah, so thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, Kyle Aboard the TV. And yeah, very good speaker. I would recommend it. So yeah, peace. Bye bye mga tol. Salamat sa panonood.